To all the educators out there, I have to show you how you can calculate your student's GPA within seconds. Step 1. Create 3 columns. The first one contains the score ranges. The second one contains the lower bound of the score ranges. Here you can simply type in the first one and then press Ctrl plus E. And the third one contains the grade for each of the ranges. In this case, we just use letter grades. Wonderful. Step 2. Insert the VLOOKUP formula. For the lookup value, we use the average function and select this entire range. Next, for the table array, we select this range right here and transform it into an absolute reference by pressing F4. And finally, for the index number, we use a 2 since we want the alphabetical letters back. And guess what? That was already it. Just drag your formula down and you have the GPA for all your students. Oh, wait. You also want to know how to calculate the GPA for the entire class? Well, you can just use the sum function to sum up this entire range and divide it by the count A, function containing the same range. Well, it looks like Kanye, Gigi, and Elon Musk will have to repeat the class. Oh, and don't forget to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.